This is Gabby reading her book in the morning. Right? Yeah, she's waving to the penguins. Waving to the penguins. That's right. Now she's reading it backwards. Let's see what Gabby's reading. Gabby, show me. Where's the little penguin? The little penguin. Where's the little guy? The little guy. Yeah, that's where he is. I am small, he says. Right? Say hello. Gabby, say papa.
Dada.
Say crocodile. Say crocodile.
Gaga.
Say baba.
Baba.
Say mama. Say amen. Say kata kata kata.
Kata. Kata. Kata.
Say kata kata kata.
Kata.
Say deda.